Here we will write a Python program to explain try except statements with exception type. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. Here we will accept two values from the user and will print division of these two numbers. So a equal to int input enter first number. Then in B we will accept second number. So B equal to int input enter second number. Then we will write try block. So try C equal to A divided by B and we will print value of C. So division equal to C. Then we will write first except statement and we will give the exception 0 division error. And we will print message division by 0 occurs. Then we will write another except statement for type error and we will print the message data type mismatch. And we will write default except statement which will print default except statement. Then we will save this. Then we will execute this. I will give first number as 6, second number as 3. It will print division as 2.0. Since no error occurs, it will execute the statements under try block. Again we will execute this. I will give first number as 6, second number as 0. It will print division by 0 error occurs. Here we can't divide any number by 0, so exception occurs. Here we have handled this exception as 0 division error in except block, so it will print division by 0 error occurs. Here I will change the data type of B and I will execute. I will enter first number as 6, second number as 3. It will print data type mismatch error. Since here B value is string and A as integer, the type error occurs and it will print data type mismatch error. Here I will remove this type error block and I will execute. I will give first number as 6, second number as 3. It will print default except statement executed. Here we are trying to divide the integer number by string, so error occurs, but we have not handled this error in the except statement, so the default except statement is executed. And if I give this type error and again I will execute and I will give 6 and 3, it will print data type mismatch error. Since this type of error is handled here.